check this out. This is my uncle's model kit collection, right? A lot of World War II planes, a lot of 1/72nd scale planes, a lot of bombers, large planes, cars, more cars, stock cars, race cars, Duesenbergs, everything that you can think of. Street rods, lots of street rods. How about some Kenworths and trucks? More trucks, more trucks, more trucks, more trucks. A whole bunch more cars. Even a couple ships. And there's some stuff that's 1/24 scale, some stuff that's 1/12 scale or 1/8 scale. Hemi Hydro there. Some show cars. Bunch of Model A's and different things. More race cars. A big Cobra. All sorts of kits. Here we've got some more. I think he's got about 700 kits in all. Last time that he counted, that's what he figured he had. I've never counted it, but I think I'm going to tonight. Let me know what you think of that.